It's my birthday. Not now.
The cake looks perfect, Ellie.
Your friends will love this party.
Best birthday ever!
The guests are late. Big traffic on the road.
The ice cream is melting fast.
The cupcakes are black!
The big cake slides and falls.
Everything is broken. Everything is broken.
You said you would watch the oven.
You told me to fix the balloons first.
Please stop fighting.
I'm sorry, sweetheart.
We are sorry, Ellie. We love you. We can still make today good.
Really? How, Dad?
We can build a new cake together.
It's not perfect, but I like it more. I don't need a big cake. I just need you two, together.
You're you. Make a wish, Ellie.
Happy birthday, sweetheart!
This cupcake is so good, Mom.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie.
Thank you for helping me, Ellie.
We are a good team, Dad.
I love you both so much.
I love you too, Mom and Dad.